Hello and welcome once again to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always doing well, and today's recipe is eggplant. Every time I bring you a new recipe, and today I have two eggplants here. I cut them into this shape like this. I am going to cut them like this into this shape. They are cut into cubes like this. I continue the same way until I finish all the eggplant I have. Then I add the salt like this. I mix everything and leave the eggplant to rest for 20 minutes. This helps release the dark water and bitterness so it will not absorb oil. The oil. And leave it for 20 minutes, and the eggplant releases that water. Now I wash it with tap water and dry it well. I dry it very well like this. The excess moisture. I have here 2 cloves of garlic. I simply cut them like this. I take 2 tomatoes and remove the stem part from them. Then I cut them like this. I take a frying pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. I add 1 medium sliced onion like this and saute it. With the onion, I saute the onion for 1 or 2 minutes only. As I said, it is only 1 medium onion. I add the 2 garlic cloves that I cut with the knife. I saute them just a little for less than 1 minute. Then I add the 2 chopped tomatoes. I cover it and leave it for 15 minutes on low heat. The heat should stay low so the tomatoes do not burn. After 15 minutes, the tomatoes are cooked. I add half a tablespoon of black pepper and salt according to taste. Then I add a little basil, about 1 small spoon. As I told you, the heat should stay low. I cover it again for 3 minutes so the herbs blend into the tomatoes. After 3 minutes, I add a little parsley. If you do not have basil, you can use only parsley. It gives a very nice flavor to this recipe. Now I remove the tomato mixture and prepare the eggplant. I take either a pot or a frying pan and heat the oil. Then I add the eggplant and fry it. I fry the eggplant until it becomes golden. Then I place it on paper towels to absorb the excess oil. I continue frying until I finish all the eggplant. Now, after frying the eggplant, I add it here to the tomato sauce. I leave them together for a few minutes to soak well. It is important to mix the tomatoes with the eggplant well. Now the eggplant is ready and I will place it in the serving dish. This is the final result of our eggplant with tomatoes dish. It turns out really wonderful and can be served as a side dish. This eggplant can be eaten hot or cold. Either way, it tastes absolutely delicious. Try it, and I hope you enjoy today's recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell.